How to get an empty display name on Roblox. So if you want to get an empty display name on your Roblox, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Roblox and make sure that you're logged into your account. After logging into your Roblox, now you just need simply go with settings, which is on the top right. Click on settings. From the settings, you need to go with the account info and then go with your display name. Under your display name, you need to go with the pencil shaped icon, which is on the right side, and then remove your display name. Once you've removed everything, you need to go with save. But if this doesn't work, if it says that we need to have at least 3 characters, then you can just simply go back and then again go with the pencil shaped icon, again select it and again remove it. And after doing for like 8 to 10 times, it will have a glitch and it might work. But if that doesn't work, then you need to go with a new tab, and here you need to search for invisible character and then choose any of these websites, and then you'll have the invisible character right here. You need to just go and copy it. Once you've copied the invisible character, you need to go back to your Roblox, go with the pencil shaped icon and paste your invisible character right here. And after that, save, and it might fix your problem. That's how you can get an empty display name on your Roblox. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.